Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can locate things on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Firstly, I'll just quickly cover how you can locate yourself if you have permissions set so that Google Maps can use your location. You can very easily just click either this button on the PC version or tap this button on the mobile version, and you'll be able to locate yourself. It'll show you exactly where you currently are. If you're on mobile, you might have permissions set to general area instead of precise area. If it's general, it'll just show you the general area. If it's precise, it'll show you exactly the pin where you're currently located. However, let's say you want to locate something else. Of course, you can, if you're on mobile, you can drag it, or if you're on PC, you can just click and drag like this and locate whatever you want. You can see the names of the streets, you can see the names of the buildings, you can even see restaurants, cafes, theaters, etc., other cultural landmarks and institutions such as museums, whatever, this is a gallery, I guess, and so on and so on. But what you can do if you want to search for some specific thing, if you don't know where it is but you do know what it is called, so for example, let's say Carnegie Hall, just click here to search for it, or if you're on mobile, just tap at the very top, search for Carnegie Hall, for example. There we go, it's on 7th Avenue in New York, and once we click it, it's going to take me exactly where it is. And as you can see here, you can see Carnegie Hall pinpointed on the map, and that is pretty much all there is to it. It's nothing complicated really. If you want to search for some specific sort of place or business or something, you can search for restaurants or hotels, ATMs, pharmacies, whatever. So for example, let's say restaurants, and as you can see, it'll highlight the restaurants in this area right over here. If you drag it over to another place, it'll not show them precisely. It'll show some of them but not all of them, but you can easily just click search this area and it'll show you other restaurants or any of those related places right over here. You can also use the filters if you want, but other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.